Come to clear the air. Post a video yesterday, more of a stunt or a prank, and gone viral. Then we move with that from my page still.
Let's go! I nah draw no stunt fi bus. I nah name no fun fi bus. Me I use me talent when me get from Jhuss.
Welcome to Cl3ar TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, man, blessed love, blessed love, blessed. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Cl3ar TV. Yes, man. So I give thanks to life, health, and strength. You know what I mean? How nice it is to wake up and see another day and hear the birds are whistling. Can you hear the birds? Yeah, I don't know if you can hear the birds, but yeah, it's a wonderful feeling, you know? A beautiful day. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. I know we do it over here already. We did the thing natural, original, official, and factual. Is that what I say? Yeah, man. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe. Click the bell. This morning, I wake up, I see something was sent to my phone. See? So I said, I'm going to shed some light on it, because I know Lion Foot work. Big up all the aspiring artists them out there. All the aspiring people with ambitions and aims. So I say, wish you all the best in life. So I say, yes, man. So the artist is named Jhuss Khool. You see me? Yeah, we'll shed some light on him. God, man, he did that. Well, I don't know of the video, I haven't seen it. Like him do a bomb stunt. You see me? And him say gone viral, so. We know how Jamaica run and the world run. Negativity evolves and excels over positivity. So just cool, big up yourself. I'll shed some light on the eye. The eye say him gone viral now, and him just a show say, you know, yeah, when him doing good music, him not getting no support, nobody not share him. Well, he big up the few people who are sharing music. So anyway, I don't know. Don't forget to please go and check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston, because we can relate to Jhuss Khool in a local way. See? Big up the few people who support I, Mark, Lion Foot, I share my thing them. See? But anyway, yeah man, welcome to Kingston. Please remember to go and check it out. You see me? Yeah man, it's out on all digital platforms. We have some official visual forward soon. But I don't know. I want to put the money together, shoot the video them. You see me? Yeah. So anyway, here we Jhuss Khool, I say.
Come to clear the air. Post a video yesterday, more of a stunt or a prank, and gone viral. Then we move with that from my page still. Gone viral, and I don't know why people run with them things. It was just a prank. He's an artist, I go by the name of Jhuss Khool. JHUSSKHOOL. Post my music every day. I'm a talented artist. I'm not for ask, so you can't ask that. I gotta represent me. But I not see them run with them things like that, you know. They not run with good music and them things again. I just they move with it, you know. So I don't know what go on. But anyhow, it happened and it happened. Just I clear the air. It was from yesterday. It's no threat. It was a prank. There are so many Andrews in the world. I never put a last name to the Andrew, I just say Andrew. You understand? So it's no Andrew enough to take it personal. Nobody enough to take it personal. It was just a prank. And it went viral, so what? But yeah, respect to real people, them always share my music. Big up them people there. Always share my music. Them day one they were just no talent, understand. Big up to them people there. What on the spot media. Big up yourself, CMA, isn't it? Now every got them to do them work still, but you can promote some music more time, you know? Good music. Good music I do. do all type of music, all type, so you must can find something to listen. Understand? So that's it.
So him apologize and make you know say yo, him do the stunt, it's a stunt him do, just to get some attention. And it shouldn't be that way. You do good music. Man, them fair play good music and not support good music. It's not like that anymore. If you don't have the money for fuck up, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's like you have some people around you, friends and families, watch you, a struggle, watch you do your music, and for them to give you a share or you know, a links and them thing there. Them just sit down and when you bust now, the whole of them around come, want to stretch out hands, I look hands out and I want to help and this and that. You know, so sometimes the music can become frustrating and frustrated because sometimes I myself get frustrated. I do good music, you know what I mean, years now we do it and you know what I mean, yeah. Zane, so pick myself Jhuss Khool. I don't know the artist talented man. Come go up on his page, YouTube page and you know what I mean, and check out some of his songs them. You see what I'm saying? He seems quite active. And then the whole person him about there. Big up yourself Jhuss Khool. Link up Lionfoot Jhuss Khool. Zane, I would like to have an interview with you. I am also an artist as well. You see me? So link up. Zane, link me up on Instagram. Lionfoot TV, in the inbox Jhuss Khool. And somebody forward this to Jhuss Khool. That's it. Yeah man, so basically the man I say yo, him do him stunt and it gone viral and so I want him song them to be acknowledged. You see me? So we're going to do a quick snippet of some of him songs them and also a quick preview of my EP. You see me? Because I saw me start the vlogging, you know, after my music setback. You know, I just decided to start the vlogging to push my music and other artists who don't really have the strength like that, like myself, you know. Yeah. You still I say anybody want to sponsor the channel, please be free to do so, you see me? Yeah man, yeah. But yeah man, this is a preview of some of Jhuss Khool songs then.
Yeah. I to the top, faster than an elevator. I for roughing on the streets, we go for the papers. In my jeans for the liquor haters. I to the top, faster than an elevator. No, chew me laugh, your face them one night. We put your on. I'll never rate to start change up now. But still the future, I know it's not that far. My have a dreams, I'm a turning a rock star. In the club with a girl, I give me lap dance. Millions stack up on the table in advance. In the streets every day like the white line. Still have to say a prayer and read. My thing when me touching at the streets, dog. Girl hug me up and say she want to be my sweetheart. Say she love the way me wet her up with just a sweet talk. Come here make me love you up, me like a senorita. Benita, she hold me with the tightest grip. Your clothes are the nicest fit. Come over and learn this trick. Tonight you are my private chick. Girl, let me rock your world. More than diamonds and pearls. So very special girl. So sexy. I know money you want to, then I want the issue. Them attack you want with the tissue. Done in the place and I get the picture. Try stop your brother family we miss you. One move man gone with a couple figures. Active. Yeah. Got options, can pick and choose. Don't get that shit confused. Been I get gal from a day and I'm on one shoes. Forget a gal in the street dog, that I one view.
Zane, let me know what you think. Zane? Yes man, and this is a preview of my EP.
You know the time, please hear my cry, Father. A long time me I hold you harder. I'm asking you to shower down the blessings so I can uplift myself. Also help my mother. Me I beg you no fi stop the cry. I am crying for peace. Mr. Shot I am a crying. I'm begging you please. Put on the gun, stop the pack up pie. Tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much innocent life away. Me tired and me fed up by it. Frustration full up my face. Me tired and me fed up by it. My girl, you're too money.
Home People Production.
My girl, you're too money. You sleep it down the Cl3ar. My girl, you're too money. You cheat on me. Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. She's not to blame, it's all my fault. I am the reason why we are apart. I'm finding it hard to accept that our journey is over. Now I'm classified as a lonely soldier.
Yes, man, welcome to Kingston. So, I just say I think they just go make up yourself. Viewers and subscribers, you check out the artists, follow him on Instagram, give him the support, give him the strength, and you know, yeah, man. Big up a few people them we are support Jhuss Khool, and a few people them we are support Cl3ar, Lion Foot. See? Yes, man. I love some. Life is the greatest gift, man. It's a blessed Friday, and I wish you all a productive day. And the weekend is up against us. It's coming up soon. And I wish you a positive weekend. Enjoy with your family. Do the right thing. You see? Yeah, man, don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and click the bell. Yeah, man, welcome to Kingston. Please go and check it out. Plays and thanks, man. Beg on now. I'm asking for the support. Yeah, man. See? Jhuss Khool. Link up. Yeah, man. A Lion Foot, you know. Holy for love. Holy Emmanuel, I still see. I know someone do it over here, so. That's what I say. Link up. Any young artist want an interview on Lion Foot TV, link up. Yeah, man. Do it to the Cl3ar. Holy Emmanuel, I still see. Jhuss! Rastafari.
Me nah go pan no stage and bleach me face. Nah disrespect me human race. Me nah do what some artists a do. Them a look out the business fi try run the place. The them a struggle fi find a next hit. Artists a climb and pole fi jump off. Suicide him a threaten fi commit.